OK，今日同大家講咧chapter 17page 21 section 17.5咧 initiation of muscle contraction 嘅。咁我哋講 muscles 就梗係講緊 skeletal muscles 啦。咁如果你仲記得咧，我講 skeletal muscles 咧，我哋話 skeletal muscles 咧主要咧都係 under voluntary control 嘅。咁如果佢係既然 under voluntary controls 咧，即係佢係由個 CNS 控制住啦。咁 CNS 入邊咧，即係嗰啲 motor neurons 咧，就會 connect with 呢個 muscles 啊。咁嚿 muscles 咧，當佢收到個 muscle contract，收到個nerve impulse 嘅時候咧，佢就會進行 muscle contraction。而咧motor neuron 同 muscle fibers 接合中間對接嘅位置咧，我哋就會叫佢做一個 neuromuscular junctions。咁 neuro 就係解 neuron 啦 ，muscular 就係解 muscles 嘅意思。咁亦因為佢喺顯微鏡入邊咧，睇落咧好似一塊好薄嘅一塊板咁樣咧，咁所以我哋都會叫佢做一個 motor end plate。咁咧通常我哋都係用即係 neuromuscular junctions 咧去形容佢多啲嘅。咁每一個 motor neurons 佢有好多條嘅 axons 嘅。咁嗰啲 axons 分咗支之後咧，嗰啲 axons terminals 咧就會 connect with 唔同嘅 muscle fibers。咁當個 nerve impulse 落到去相應嘅 muscle fibers 嘅時候咧，咁嗰啲 muscle fibers 咧就會做 muscle contraction 嘅啦。咁我哋再睇真啲一個 neuromuscular junctions 佢係點運作啦。當個 nerve impulse 咧落到去個 synaptic loop 嗰度嘅時候咧，嗰啲 vesicles 咧載住 neurotransmitter 嗰啲 vesicles 咧就會 migrate 去個 presynaptic membrane 嗰度。咁呢啲 vesicles 咧 fills with 個 presynaptic membranes 咧，嗰啲 neurotransmitters 咧就會經過 diffusions 咧就 diffuse across 個 synapse。咁當佢過到去個 synapse 嗰度嘅時候咧，佢會刺激咗個 muscle fibers 咧去產生一啲 electric signal。呢啲 electric signals 咧會喺 muscle fibers 嘅兩邊咧 ，OK 受刺激嘅兩邊咧去 spread 開去。呢啲 electric impulse 咧其實個本質上咧有啲似 nerve impulse 嘅，得唔得？咁但係因為佢唔係喺個 neuron 上邊發生，而係喺個 muscle fibers 上邊去 generate 出嚟咧，所以我哋唔會叫做 nerve impulse 嘅，而係叫做一啲 electric impulse。而呢啲 electric impulse 當佢係沿住個 muscle fibers 一路 propagate 一路咁樣傳 spread 開去嘅時候咧，嗰條 muscle fibers 咧就會 contract 啦。咁而當每一條 muscle fibers 都 contract 嘅時候咧，你成嚿肌肉咧就會係進行緊個 muscle contractions 咯。咁如果我哋話要做一個simple line drawing 去畫翻個neuromuscular junction 嗰個 structures 係點樣，有啲咩 adaptive features 我哋要留意嘅咧？咁其實都似一個 synapse 嘅。如果你仲記得technically 佢係一個 synapse 嚟嘅，不過佢一個正常嘅 synapse，一般嘅 synapse 就係講緊兩個 neuron、axon 同 dendron 嘅一個 connections 啦。而 neuromuscular junctions 咧就係講緊 axons 咧同個 muscle fiber 嘅接合嘅。咁咧呢幅圖咧顯示緊有兩個唔同嘅 cell， 橙色呢個咧就係個 muscle fibers 啦。咁好長嘅，得唔得？咁而藍色呢個咧就係個 neuron， 亦都即係個 synaptic loop。咁對接住個 muscle fibers 嘅嗰個 membranes 咧，就係個 presynaptic membranes 啦。咁喺個 synaptic loop 入邊咧，我哋會揾到有好多 synaptic vesicle 嘅。咁呢啲 synaptic vesicles 咧入邊就載住嗰啲 neurotransmitter 噶啦。咁而咧喺個 muscle fibers 嗰度咧對住 對正個 presynaptic membrane 嗰個咧就係叫 postsynaptic membrane 啦。咁呢兩個 membrane 中間呢個罅咧，呢條罅隙咧，我哋就會叫佢做 synaptic curves 咯。咁基本上咧有好多名咧係同 synapse 係好似嘅。咁而當個 nerve impulse 咧係送到落嚟個 synaptic node 呢一度嘅時候咧，嗰啲 vesicles 咧就會 migrate 落去個 presynaptic membrane 嗰度，咁以至到咧嗰啲 neurotransmitters 咧就會 release 咗喺個 synaptic drift 嗰度，而 diffuse 去到個 postsynaptic membrane 嗰度。OK， 咁放大少少嚟去睇啦。咁啲 neurotransmitters 咧，其實咧就係喺個 synaptic crypt 呢一度噶啦。咁你記得喎，呢個佢哋嗰個 migrations 咧係一個 diffusions 嚟嘅喎。好啦，咁而當個 postsynaptic membranes 咧受到啲 neurotransmitter 刺激咧，其實咧佢就會喺呢一度咧產生個 electric impulse。呢個 electric impulse 咧會向個 postsynaptic membrane 嘅兩邊咧嚟去 generate。咁以至到咧，佢會沿住個 muscle fibers 個 membranes 咧嚟去 propagate。咁最終咧，呢啲 electric impulse 咧就會 spread along 成條 muscle fibers。最後咧，成條 muscle fibers 咧都受到呢個 electric impulse 佢自己嘅 electric impulse 刺激咧，嗰個 muscle fibers 就會收縮啦。咁而每一條 muscle fibers 咧，理論上咧都會 connect with 一個 synaptic loop 嘅。咁所以以至到就係當有個 nerve impulse send 到你個肌肉嗰度嘅時候，個肌肉就會收縮啦。咁呢個亦都係成個 neuromuscular junctions 嗰個運作，一個 muscles 佢點樣由個 CNS 嗰度接收到個 nerve impulse， 再從而去到做 muscle contraction。好啦，嗱最後咧，我想你喺呢幅圖度咧，你去睇下咧，究竟呢個 neuromuscular junctions 咧有啲乜嘢 adaptive features？ 有啲咩 adaptive features 係可以幫助到個 muscles 咧係接收呢啲neurotransmitter 嘅。有啲 adaptive features 咧同 synapse 係好似嘅，但係有啲咧佢係 unique嘅，佢有 synapse 係冇嘅。咁下堂翻嚟咧，我哋喺做實驗之前咧，我想你哋都講下嘅。OK， 好啦，咁最後咧，你揭去書嘅第22頁啦。咁其實咧，你會睇到咧就係個neuromuscular junctions 咧嘅一啲顯微照片嘅。咁呢邊呢一個咧係一個 optic microscope 嘅顯微照片啦。咁你會見到其實嗰個neuromuscular junctions 咧係好似好薄一塊板咁樣嘅。咁呢度其實就係一條 axon 一路分支落嚟啦，唔同嘅 motor end plates 啦，就喺顯微鏡嗰度影到啦。咁每一條連接住個 motor 連接住個 neuromuscular junctions 嘅嗰個都係有一條 muscle fiber 嘅。咁而隔離呢幅咧就係一幅 transmission electron microscope 嘅顯微照片。咁你會見到就係個axons 啦，個 end of axons 啦，同個 muscle fibers 咧之間嘅距離咧係好薄，佢好窄嘅。咁而呢一度咧亦都會見到咧一啲好特別嘅 floating 嘅。咁我想你諗下呢啲 floatings 其實究竟有咩用？咁當個 neurotransmitters 咧 send diffuse across 個 synaptic cliff 之後咧，其實咧個 muscle fibers 咧佢就會做 muscle contraction。而 muscle contraction 咧，記住一樣嘢係佢需要用能量嘅，而啲能量咧就會 in forms of ATPs 咧嚟去消耗嘅。咁 ATPs 係咩嚟嘅咧？我唔多講。佢其實係一啲化物質嚟嘅，一啲 chemicals。咁佢係一啲擁有好多能量嘅一啲 chemicals。咁佢可以即時被細胞去使用嘅。咁我哋喺廿二課嘅時候咧，我哋會再講多少少嘅。咁我呢度唔再講啦。咁我哋今日講到呢度先啦。咁下堂咧，我哋會湯青蛙。咁請大家做好心理準備。拜拜。